Istanbul, the city between two worlds. When night falls, the Bosphorus shimmers under the bridge lights, and the domes of Hagia Sophia glow like golden lanterns. From the ancient heart of Sultanahmet to the lively streets of Karaköy, every corner of Istanbul tells a story of culture, history, and beauty. This is Istanbul at night, a city that never loses its magic. Watch the full top 10 most beautiful cities at night on my channel.